back at you with another video from 80s Nut. Today we have the BOSE Acoustimass 6 Series 3 home theater system, which is this beast right here. We're going to go ahead and disassemble it, and I guess I'll start right now. Alright, so first thing you want to do is you'll see the knobs. Can we see the knobs there on the side? It's a little bit on the end, but alright. So to take these knobs off, most of the time you can just grab them and pull real tight, but you want to pull straight out. And they'll just come out. Just a nice tight fit there, tight tolerance. And we'll do the same thing if for some reason they're not coming out so easily and you have to fight with them. Get a flathead screwdriver, put it right behind it and pry it out. It's actually a good idea to get a wide flathead screwdriver, so that way you don't just put it, the small narrow one will end up causing a crease on the knob and also damage the housing. So I'd rather you go with a wider one. Once the two knobs are out, let me just make sure that we're getting a good view here. Might want to remove, excuse me. So these were old grills from the video before, from the PS28. So that's a white PS28, this is a black PS28. Alright, so where are we at here? I think that's a better view there. Alright, so we have Phillips screws on the back here. We got 4 that we're going to take out right now. That's 2. These look like fine screws too, not the coarse ones like a lot of the other BOSE units. Alright, right now it's sitting on, if you look, let me pull this out, it's actually sitting on the feet here. You could have taken this apart upside down. I traditionally don't. Let me open it this way so you can take a good look at it. There's a grill below. If you want to open it upside down, you could. There's a grill below that's for the speaker, and that's holding it upright. And not including, I want to show you the details of taking the wire ribbon apart and the inside power one for the transformer. Okay, so I don't know if is there a good view there? Alright, so first one you're going to do is you're going to come in here and you're just going to pull straight out on this one. Alright, so that's your power that's going to your transformer. And then you have a ribbon. Be careful, don't yank straight out on the housing, on the back plastic housing. You're going to want to pull this one straight down. See? So it was this way. You want to pull it straight down, and that gets it loose. That was my last screw. Okay. So what do we have here? Looks like this would be your crossover, electronic crossover, right? Your bass control knob on top and your bass control pod on the bottom there. And this would be your electronic crossover. You can actually take the ribbon completely out. And we'll put this aside. If you guys wanted to see let me see if I can get a good view of that. Okay, so that was the Acoustimass 6 Series 3. Alright, so here, what do we have left? We have the amplifier and power transformer on top. Alright, we'll go ahead and get started on this. There's a small clip for this connector that's behind there, so I can put my fingers behind there, and you heard this little tab and then pull up and it comes right off. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and take the 4 screws. You guys see that? There's 4 screws for the transformer, and I'll go ahead and take the transformer out next. Might be a good idea now to actually take the entire unit and lay it on its side. Let's see if that's a good view. Alright. I don't know if you guys noticed that burn there. Did you see that? Did that at work. Actually, I should say it happened at work. One of the engineers I was working with ended up putting the heat gun right next to me. And didn't say that he put it back there, so ended up bumping into it. Doesn't take but a millisecond to burn you pretty good. No, I didn't scream. What do you mean I screamed? Did you scream? Of course not. Why would I scream? Okay, so I'm going to turn it this way so I can get a little bit more force. Screamed. Did you scream? Okay, well maybe a little. What do you guys laugh for that? It was a light scream.